Right. Celosia greens. I think that's how you pronounce it. I haven't heard anyone pronounce it. Recommended vehicle. You'll see. Oh, and I went backwards at the start. You didn't see that. There we go. There we go. There we go. Super speedy. Let's see if I can get a 115 or better. Ooh, flip I timed that just right. Ooh, just about, just about. I don't know how good that was. Seemed pretty good. I only missed like one cloud bounce. I don't know how much time I would have lost, but I think this is good. Let's check that out.